Learning a new language or losing the fear of a conversation in another language can be a challenge. But with technological advances, overcoming these problems is becoming easier. Just by having a cell phone on hand and a good application to practice can eliminate fear to an experience like no other. Millions of people in the world are currently learning a foreign language. Some people experience conversational exchange through their mobile phone, as is the case of Tandem, an application that allows you to exchange languages with people from all over the world. It is a tool available for iOS and Android devices. Around 5 million users are learning, practicing, listening and improving their pronunciation with a native speaker for free, no matter where you are. Also, you have the opportunity to discover new cultures and share their experiences, as well as teach someone else to learn or perfect your new language. The application helps you find native speakers from more than 150 languages, improve your English, learn Korean, practice Portuguese, and even Tandem allows you to learn and know sign language. To find a language partner, you must initially create a profile that lets you know your tastes, learning preferences, and of course the topics you want to talk about. In the language option, you can describe your mother tongue and the languages you speak. You can also select those you want to learn or are learning and the level you have for each of them. Find new partners in the Community tab. There you will find people who align to your goals of learning. You just have to click on the profile and send a message. Follow your companions to not lose contact and keep practicing with each other. According to the experience you have had, you can leave a review to recommend to a partner. This tool allows you to send instant messages, voice clips, share photos, and even perform calls or video calls to make learning more enjoyable. Other functions offered by Tandem is to correct, comment, or translate the conversation you are having. This is one of the many alternatives you have to find a language partner to start talking quickly and gain confidence in a new language.